This video will be demonstrating how to unlock and start your car when your smart key battery dies. Coming up next on Tech Device News. This key doesn't seem like there would be any physical key on it. Rather, it's hidden inside. On the back of most of these keys, there will be a little button or a switch. When you push or slide that button, try to pull out the bottom of the key fob. Doing so will release a hidden key. Now you can go to your car and unlock all the doors manually. But if you need to start that car, that's a different story. To perform that, you'll need to know that inside your key fob, there's a little tag that has a code specifically designed to be able to start your car when the battery is dead. Place your key fob right next to the start button for a few seconds. You can then, with the key fob still within a few centimeters, push the button to start the car. If that doesn't work, you may need to tap the start button with the key fob directly. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a like to help this video get shared to other people. If you want more videos like this and ones about tech, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. I'll see y'all next time on Tech Device News.